Hey, people, let's come in. Am I in? Let me show you my face, okay? I'm gonna do some testing for my face here. It is a historic day. Do I have my glasses? Hey, people, let's come in. Am I in? Let me show you my face, okay? I have to shut myself up, okay? Sorry that I gotta shut myself up. Let me choose a video filter that is more becoming of me. Can I choose that? It is cool. Can I choose that? That's even cooler, right? What about that? Okay, what about this? Hey, this looks like the metaverse, man. Here I am, guys. I am from the metaverse. How do I look? I hope I look good from the metaverse, and it is an exciting night because we are up to a lot of things tonight. I'm just going to show you what I did just now. Oh my God, I'm just waiting for the deliveries now. The excitement is too much. Where's my video just now? I actually videoed it, okay? I kind of had to video this really amazing moment, you know? Amazing moment of whatever. Ooh. Let's see this. Oh man, I can't play it. I just want to play this. I thought I can play it in this thing. No, I can't. Okay. I'm going to look at the charts today, and we're going to do something about it, okay? We are going to do something about it. In the meantime, join my this, right? Join my Telegram at https://t.me/join. Yeah, so we're gonna have a trading class. This will be free, as I'm going to put my guys on trading, the one in the paid classes for trading, but this will be free because I just want to show them the basic fundamentals of trading, what we are after. We trade in a different way, okay, which is why we are able to make money trading. I'm not going to say lots of money, but it's kind of good, right? It's a lot of money, okay? It's kind of significant in Malaysian ringgit. In non-Malaysian ringgit, it's also significant, okay? But this is so cool. So one moment here. So if you do want to join, yeah, this class here, guys, this class here is coming very soon. Don't miss it. It will be on Saturday. I get that right? Yeah, Saturday, August 6th. So join. See how a millionaire trades. How a millionaire trades. Just sign up to the Zoom link. Let me give you the Zoom link there. It is on Saturday, August 6th, 9:30 to 4, so that I can get everyone basically aligned, right? Aligned. Yeah, I was looking for that corporate word, aligned, so that we know what we are talking about. Because I trade in a weird way, okay? I trade in a weird way. I trade, that's why I make money, okay? I believe that if you do the same thing as other things, you may not make money at all. That's the dangerous thing. I always believe that you got to do the different things, but you got to do the right things, okay? So let's be a little bit patient, and then we can pretty much start. And let's look at the crypto markets. It looks like another bullish night. Okay, cool. It is a bullish night, which makes it kind of cool. Which makes it cool, okay? Which makes it cool. Let's go here. And yeah, that's the bit.ly thing. I found it, guys. Can sign up here on 6 August, right? on 6 August, 9:30, right? 9:30 to 4 around there. It will be IRL also because you guys like IRL, right? Everyone now likes IRL. This is cool, okay? So again, okay, what is happening in the markets? Let me make sure the rest, everyone is ready and everyone is set up. And we can just go on. I got, you know, as I said, that the markets are turning around. Did I tell you guys that? Yeah, right. I think during the last class that we went to, I said, give me 3 weeks. The market surely looks like they are turning around. I believe they have turned around. Now, it's not going to be smooth from here. It's still going to be rough seas, but it is tradable. Okay, that's why I said I'm even getting my boys, my students to trade because it is tradable. Might as well make some money. But again, please remember that you're not going to be a millionaire by trading. At least the way I do and the way a lot of people do. You're not going to be a millionaire by trading, okay? The window to become a millionaire is approaching, but it's not there yet. But you can also make some money before that. Nothing is wrong, okay? I mean, if you guys want to make money, then do so, okay? Let me get this done first. The most significant news today, I'll show you afterwards. This is so cool. This is so cool, okay? The most significant news today, it's just one moment here. Let me get this up, and then we can go and do whatever we want. One moment, please. How is everyone tonight? Let's see what the market is. I hope the market is still good. I'll give you the key levels that Bitcoin has to hold to continue this rally. Of course, don't forget, guys, don't forget. Let me go here. There it is. Let me go here, and then we can start. Okay, so again, have a very good night, everyone. Now let's go and see the most important thing now, which is what are the markets doing, okay? What are the markets doing and what are we doing to take advantage of this, knowing that they are turning around? Follow the cycle. I said this is a Sunday. 2 Sundays ago, I congratulated my students who were dollar cost averaging into several cryptos. I basically congratulated them because they would make money, and hell, they made money. How did I know that? It's all a cycle, guys. If you've seen this a lot of time, it's all in a cycle. It's not that hard, but it is that hard because you can't do it because no one, guys, no one is that patient. That's the problem. We are all not that patient, right, Jamil? We are not that patient. That's the thing. But I'm going to show you something. So if you want to follow that course, just sign up. There's a Zoom there. But I do want to show you something now. I want to show you my new toy. I'm going to get a new
piece
toy.
of history, my artifact.
Okay, one moment. I'm going to get a new toy, and you know, soon I'm going to have a Clone X. I'm hiring a guy, so he will put my Clone X face here. But that's only for the midweek. Don't worry. When the normal days I come in like this, I want you to see something, guys. This is history. History was made today. History was made today. I don't know whether I'm the only one in Malaysia. Maybe, I don't know. I'll just flex it, you know. Look at this. Okay, this is so cool, guys. This is history, guys. I forged the Nike hoodie. I have forged the Nike hoodie. Let me this is so challenging because I'm so dumb. This is my first forge. So pardon that I was late, but look at this, guys.
Piece of history, my artifact hoodie. Nike hoodie is there. Probably there are going to be wings, and yeah, to the moon, hopefully.
So it's all such a challenge, you know. It's like really, yeah. Everything is just a super challenge to do this because I'm not that technically inclined anyway. But yeah, it is. I will have my hoodie. It took several iterations, you know, because it's so weird that, you know, here I am ordering a hoodie, right? And they want to know my shoe size. So I'm like, where in the world and I'm gonna get my shoe size? So I just look at the Nike there. I didn't even know. I am US 11 and UK 10. I hope I got that size right, because, and so the fact that it's there means that, hey, I hope one day that my Nike shoes are actually forgeable. I'll definitely take the forge, but yeah, probably the NFT one of them I'll just sell, right? I'll sell the more expensive one. I'll keep the cheaper one. I got a demon thing. Okay, I got a demon shoe. But first, to jog your memories, because all of you seem to forget, I want to ask you a question, okay? Because we are going to go serious into trading very soon, so I'm going to get you guys ready now. 2 weeks ago, when I said things were going to go up, right? You guys might be telling me, you're a liar, pants on fire. So 2 weeks ago, this was 11.5 ETH. This is now 9.2 ETH. Can you tell me how much did I lose? I have 2 Cronets, by the way. How much did I lose? Can you type it down? How much did I lose? Okay, this is a very important question, because we got to get this, you know, it's time to go quite active into the market. The market's coming back. You can't go active and YOLO, but definitely you want to be positioning for trade. So who knows, guys, how much did I lose? Went from 11.5 to 9.2. Okay, type it down there, It is here. I have forged the thing, right? I have forged the thing. Did I lose anything? That is the important thing. But let's go to our, while you guys are deciding there, let's go to our famous Bitcoin Fear and Greed Index, okay? Let's go here, Bitcoin Fear and Greed Index. Yeah, how much did I lose? So we're gonna go here. Aha, nothing you gain with airdrops. That is a good answer, but it's not the right answer. I'll show you why. But it is, we are still fear, okay? Guys, we have been through the longest extreme fear ever. And just like the equities market, right? When it's all extreme, the market just comes back. The market just comes back because it's so negative, right? Sentiment is so negative. And sometimes you want to trade all these markets. You kind of have to know the sentiment. Look at what we had been through. Look at that. That was the longest ever extreme fear that I have ever seen. So we're now at 30. We're now at fear. This is good. This is good. Now, how much did I know? I gained here. You know why, Jabir? I gained here. You know why? Okay, let me show you this. This is my hoodie. Thank you very much. Congratulations to me. You know why? Okay, let me tell you why. Because 2 weeks ago, guys, how much was Ethereum 2 weeks ago? How much was Ethereum 2 weeks ago? You guys got to be reminded. Ethereum was 1.1, right? Or 1 2 weeks ago. I don't know, guys. I don't know. I'm going to calculate here. 11.5 times 1,100. So this is like 12,650 US dollars, right? But now it's like 9.2 times 1,600, 14,000. You see that? But of course, I gain with airdrops, so I even have more money. Jabir is right. Also, I gain with airdrops, I have real more money. But again, based on the price of Ethereum, I still gain here, okay? So you guys got to understand that, okay? Don't be alarmed if your NFTs goes down. Don't go and cry and want to fly like me. I'm different, guys. I got wings. At least my hoodie got wings. That's what my hoodie says. They say I got wings on my hoodie. Where's my wing? See, I got wings on my hoodie. Well, it doesn't come out, but that is what it's supposed to be. So do not ever forget that. Let's see what the price of Ethereum is before we go and see the charts, and before we go and see the key levels. And then we're going to join the class on the trading. Okay, you want to see how to do my S&P trading and index trading and some crypto trading? Join there. Let me get this out first. And let's see what Bitcoin is at. And then we go see the levels. Now, what is the, again, dominance 39.8. This is good. That means also going up, right? We saw this at 42 a couple of weeks ago. The fact that the dominance goes down means what? Alts are coming up. So it's kind of I don't know whether it's a alt season or it's a weak alt season. it's a very weak alt season. I don't want to drive you guys into happiness that you guys are going to become millionaires, okay? Not yet, okay, guys, not yet. But yeah, I do think there is something to celebrate here. So let's go and refresh this, because wait, it's not refreshed yet. Let me refresh this, okay? What is it now? Let's go and see. No, I lost that. Okay, I'm going to go see CoinGecko here. Yeah, but what Jabir said was right. See, when I get a lot of airdrops, I have even more ETH than I had before, okay? So that's how it compensates for that. In fact, Clone X and Will the World, despite this crash, I still make money. So there it is, guys. Bitcoin, Ethereum, 22.5. This is, it has to flip this thing tonight, you know, based on the SMA. We'll see it afterwards. Binance, Solana, 40. So they're trying to defend it. Nothing happened this much. What's going to happen next week? You got to ask this, okay? Nothing happened this week. What's going to happen next week? Let's see what the big gainers are. 24/7. Okay, Synthetics Network. This is the brother to Illuvium, right? The brothers have one brother has Synthetics. The rest are in Illuvium. Lido DAO. Lido DAO is, of course, Ethereum Steth. They also have Polkadot, okay? Not only Ethereum, Cardano. Oh, okay. The one I hate. Hedera, Hashgraph, okay? This is not a blockchain, but it's cool. Tencent, EOS, not bad. BitDAO. Is serious? BitDAO, guys. We heard of this. Steppen. Oh my God, Steppen. Wow. Steppen and all that. Okay, so again, this is what's happening here. And let's look at this. You got to look at this, okay? If you want to go into the markets, let's go and look here first at Forex Factory. So you know what Bitcoin is now. Can it go up? Can it go up? Look at the news that's coming, okay? Now, we have been having, and Easy knows this, right? Last week, we went up. No, last week, we went up. The previous week, we went down. The previous week, we went up. So it's up, down, up. This week, there's a down bias because of this news. I will be in town again, 8:15 p.m. on Thursday. That is the advanced GDP. You got to look at this. This is very key. I'll be sleeping. I don't care. I don't want to look. FOMC. I think there was a lot of news that they were going to raise by 1%. But then they put it at 0.75, so it looks okay. But I just want you to know that two banks like Canada, Bank of Canada, right, raised by 1%. And Euro, which is the European Central Bank, ECB, instead of raising by 0.25, they raised by 0.5. So guys, if the Fed rocks us and raises by 1, we're kind of dead here. So just be careful what you do here. GDP, I think we're gone already. GDP, I don't know, is it like 0. Are you serious? You gotta be kidding me. They expect 0.4. Come on. Forecast 0. Come on. Can we like say this is negative so that we don't have all these high expectations? I thought it was negative because 2 consecutive quarters of negative growth is a recession. I really prefer bad news now, you know, because now, guys, bad news is good news. Bad news means we might be able to delay the interest rate hikes, right? That the economy is so hard. And remember that in the US, some states has already given stimulus checks. I know you guys in Malaysia didn't get it. I know you guys had enough that day, okay? No more stimulus checks, but in the US, they're starting out to give. And I saw also that maybe they should start giving out in Malaysia, right? Because I saw statistics by the statistics department. You eat a dish with rice, the inflation is 9.1. And you eat a roti canai or something breakfast, the inflation is 8-something%. Like, are we crazy here? It's crazy, okay? It's insane. Cannot do that. But just remember this news, okay? So I would like to think that the market goes up, or the market goes up some more, or the market goes down, and then the market goes up after we get this surprise, or the market goes up here, it goes down, and then maybe initially it goes down, but after people realize, hey, it's not so bad, it's not so bad, and then it goes back up again. That's what I see, because as I said, I believe we are in the cycle up. My students know this, right? You saw the cycle, right? So just be careful here. Just I'm saying that the pattern is it's supposed to be down, right? Because it's up last week, down the previous week, up the previous week, right? Up, down, up. That's what I've been trading, guys. That's why I was killing it in the S&P and NASDAQ. Right? I just traded this. So I'm just going to see this. If I am long, because I like to go long, I'm just going to clear all positions by, this is on my index. I'm just going to clear all positions for this, okay? I ain't going to go into the FOMC and, because I'm going to be asleep. I'm not even interested in seeing that. I'm so going to be asleep, okay? Remember that, okay? Next, what is the news here? Let's go to the news. So let's do to the news. What's happening here? Fake out risk after 40 ETH price rally. Again, let us go and refresh this again. Is it a fake out? Again, the target for Ethereum is 1.7, right? 1.7 nowadays. Difficulty drops to 2.769. Hash rate eyes recovery. Did we reach the low? Maybe. I don't know. I think there's one more. There's one more, okay? Bitcoin really capitulates after the hash rate capitulates. So I expect one more. Crypto cap climbs 15% following Ethereum merge date. Yeah, Ethereum has been crazy, okay? This is the thing, okay? This is what we do not like here. Bitcoin dips to 22.6 because we had to stay above 22.8. Remember, we had to stay above 22.8. That's the key level. Patience. I'm going to show you the chart afterwards. Failure to use. Yeah, below is 200 as, yeah, 22.8. 200 weekly SMA. It's got to get this back. It's got to get this back, guys. The price of Bitcoin has been oscillating 23 over the past couple of days. That was good. It went above 24. But you need to get back over 22.8 so that we are able to assault on 26 to 28. And then I'm like, it's going to be so gone. Going to be so gone. I'm going to clear, maybe you should clear your DCA or whatever, okay? Was noted by independent market analyst Michael Van de Poppe, who posted the following chart highlighting major support and resistance. Okay, I see that. Look at that. Bitcoin facing crucial resistance again at 23.5. And what happens then will determine if price is higher or pulls back to support at 21.5. If that break 23.8, I'm assuming we'll continue to 28. Yeah, and we'll see afterwards, right? It's at 26 to 28. We have to clear the breakout. We have to clear the breakout. You see this 22-week weekly. It's a weekly MA, okay? Continuation closest to the weekly, okay? So you guys understand that, right? So that's Bitcoin. But you guys know, and we've been right all along this past 3 weeks, that if you really want to know where Bitcoin is going, you look at the S&P 500, right? You guys are clever, right? Because we are clever. That's why we look at the right things, okay? So let's see what is happening to the S&P. I like the pattern of the S&P now because it failed at 4K. That's cool. That means if it goes above 4K, it takes me in. Okay, I got a confirmation. I want it to retry again. Then I will be in. But again, if I'm in again, guys, just follow my Twitter if you want to. I'll show you in my Twitter whether I'm in or not. It is at Inukshuk here. And if I'm in, I'm in. Maybe I go to NASDAQ. Maybe I go to the S&P 500. But I still have to get out by Wednesday, which is a bummer because I ain't going to risk things when FOMC is going to have its statement. I don't know what's going to happen, okay? Calls for rolling back China. Yeah, gas prices could fall below $4 by October. This is good. Less inflation, right? Yeah, IPO market, wait and see. Yeah. Thank you very much. The last recession, more of a debt crisis for small business owners. What do they say here? Yeah, this is it. Will the federal market surprise? So the expectation is 0.75. Is they rug us and rug by 1 and raise by 1, we're gone. We're literally gone, guys. It's going to be very bad. So expect 2 shallow recessions, but a quick end to the Fed moves to raise interest rate. Yeah, okay, that's good. Because you know that this is election year, right? Midterm election for Biden. I don't know why Biden wants to push for all these rate hikes when he has an election coming. Will the Federal Reserve kill the stock market bounce? So clearly the market is bouncing. If you were in the class, the free class last time, and we'll update you again, just so that I can tell you guys, I told you so already, right? I told you so. We were recovering, and now we are recovering. So now it's time to analyze the market again, and after that, get my students into trading again. Again, not to be a millionaire. Can we get this right? This trading is just for extra income. It's not to become a millionaire. The millionaire cycle will come. Don't worry, we're already doing that slowly, okay? Overspend, yeah. But I want to overspend, Susie. I want to over Susie Orman here. Apple leads earnings wave next week, right? So Apple, oh boy, you guys really. Can you guys go buy iPhone so that we get good results, okay? Okay, let's see. See, the summer has started having hopes, right? And if you were in my class, I told you, right? We had a big signal to buy already. What was that, 3 weeks ago? When things were very bad, I said like, okay, it's time, and it is time. Okay, let's see what this Fed could do. Are they going to spoil the party? And then we're going to draw something on the S&P, and also because so that you know I draw charts, okay? And then please come to the class on 6 August so that next time you know what I am doing. It's easy. Maybe I should cut this video out so that you guys know what I'm really drawing. What is going on here? Okay, never mind, doesn't do this. Okay, so then now we go to our favorite part. I've reached my article limit. What do you guys want me to do? $1 for 4 weeks. Yeah, but then you're going to charge my credit card a lot of dollars knowing that I need, right? Nah, greetings. Hello, Phuket. Hey, you know what? Hey, guys, do you know what? I just found out something. Do you know that the Malaysian ringgit Dennis doesn't tell me this. You don't tell me this, Dennis. You didn't tell me this earlier. Do you know that the Malaysian ringgit fell 6% against the US dollar, more like 5.95? And the Thai baht fell like 12% against the USD. So I'm like, hey, this is cool. This is so cool. Used to be, guys, it used to be 10 Thai baht, right? If you guys remember, 10 Thai baht used to be like 1.3. And at a high, it was 1.37 ringgit, you know. Now it's like 10 Thai baht. 10 Thai baht is only 1.2. So guys, Malaysians, you guys should travel. We're the second best performing currency after Sing. Yeah, we all drop against US dollar. So it's not bad, okay? It is not bad. It is not bad. So there we are, guys. So again, I just remember this week it depends all on the Fed, okay? But maybe early in the cycle it goes good. So let's see where we are in terms of our Bitcoin. Is it this? And then we'll draw on a fresh chart that has nothing, okay? Let's not go there. Ethereum is at 1579. What is Bitcoin? Yeah, it's held pretty well, you know. It's held pretty well here. Look at that. Look at that. This is not bad. But the point is, it's below that line. I don't like it. I really don't like it. So there it is. This is the line here. The problem here is this. Why we need to flip here is very simple, okay? Because if you see this is a 4-hour chart. Okay, this is a 4-hour chart. It's good. I want to see a 4-hour chart. What do you see here? The most dangerous thing, everyone who has a long, but you guys are making money through your DCA, so that's cool. Lower high. That's not good. That is not good at all. So you see that 22.8, why it is so crucial, okay? So crucial. So why don't we now go and see, can I change this to daily? I'm gonna change this to daily, okay? I am gonna change this to daily now. What does it look on the daily here? Even in striking hot Phuket, like, it doesn't look good. It's still looking ugly, guys. It is totally ugly here. It's just ugly. Yeah, it wanted to go up. We had this, right? Higher low, higher low supposedly, and then we went back down. Okay, so what do we have in the S&P 500? I want to look what's happening on the S&P 500. And or is this NASDAQ? We can also look on the NASDAQ. No, but better to look on the S&P, okay? I want to go here. Do we have here this? The Japanese yen even fell, right? Look at the Japanese yen, guys. Fell a lot. Crypto market cap, look at that. The total market cap has already gone above that box. So that's good. That's a box breakout there. And look at what happened here. Even the Japanese yen has gone down by quite a lot. I'm just going to go to weekly. Okay, so these are good signs. Okay, remember, for us to have a rally, the US dollar has to go down. But let me tell you something. You guys know what's going to happen in Sri Lanka, right? I know that Dennis gets this, right? I know Dennis wants to, yeah, it's like Dennis wants the US dollar to go up. I'm okay with it. But the problem is, if Chef wants the US dollar to go up, we're all going to be like Sri Lanka, guys, because we cannot pay our debt in US dollars. Seriously, you know, the US dollar has to go the other way. It really has to. Or we are all in very deep trouble. And if this persists, I'm sure that they will have something like in 1985, right? Where all the countries, what was it called? You guys remember? There was something, there was a meeting that was called, and they all decided to devalue the US dollar. If not, we can't pay our debts, including Malaysia. We're going to go bankrupt. So look at that. Even the Japanese yen has started to rally against it. So this is it. We need this to persist. If not, we could be in totally superior problems. Okay, so now let's start this again. Okay, so here it is, guys. Let's go and start this, and let's go and draw this. The first thing is change this to RSI, please. Okay, let's go and start drawing the chart. Okay, so I just told you that 22.8 is so key. If we lose that, it is no good. Let's start drawing the chart for the BTC USD and also for the S&P 500. Do I have the S&P 500 here or have NASDAQ? Never mind, let's draw this. Okay, let's draw this on a fresh chart. So the first thing that I want you to do is change this thing. Okay, can you change this to indicators? This is trading view, by the way. Just open trading view. Bitcoin, Tether, USD doesn't matter. BTC USD doesn't matter also. Whatever it is, I'm just doing this on a chart. I'll probably delete this one day because I have another chart there, right? But just how I draw the chart. So I want you to go here and I want you to go to indicators here. And I want you to put here RSI, okay? Don't put just the percentage RSI. Just put it at the bottom, just have the RSI, okay? Because I want to see what is, whether it's overbought or oversold. Let's get that out. Get that out. Okay, so it's kind of going down. That's kind of good. So now we have trading view. Okay, we have the 4-hour chart now. Now I want you to really go here and look at the days. Okay, and then I will show you how I find my levels. How I find my level. Thank you, Dennis. He's going to get paid in Wish coin so that Thailand can pay the US dollar that. Thank you. Sawadika. Sawadika. Okay, look at this, guys. So I want you to look at this. So this is the distribution, what happened in Bitcoin. Like it went up, kind of like a head and shoulder here, and then went down. So when you want to do this, you really want to measure by fibs, okay? You want to measure by fibs. And that day you want to take the last point. And that day when we took the last point, you know, this was not around yet, okay? So I just want to show you this because at that time, this was not around yet. So you got to start from here, not here. Maybe now we can do it another here. Let's try this. Can you go here? I'm just going to try this. I'm going to erase this, okay? Just go to Fib Retracement. Where's my Fib Retracement? Fib circles. I don't want Fib circles here. I want to go by, yeah, that's Fib retracement here. Is this 0? That's 1. Again. Okay, my Fib retracement is here. Go here only, okay? I'm just trying out here now. This is just an experiment, okay? Guys, this is just an experiment. Here. Man, maybe. It hasn't even reached the 50 yet, okay? Four. Yeah, you can't do it there. You have to do it on there. Okay. So let's go for a smaller. Let me draw this out more. Okay, so you got to measure from there. Okay, now I go back here. Okay. Because before this, the other things did not exist. Okay, just trust me on this. The other things did not exist. So I'm just going to put it here again. I'm just going to go again, Fib retracement. And we're going to do the same thing for the SMP. Was it here, right? Yeah, so it started here. Look, this has not existed yet. Look, went up here, couldn't even do an extension and went back down. Okay, now let's try something else. One moment, this is for my education because I want to see the entire thing, okay? I want to see the entire thing if we bring it up here. This is the point, right? Where are we now? We're at the 38.2. Okay, good. Okay, good. We're kind of on the big scale here. We're kind of at the golden pocket, okay? Because I'm going to erase this, so don't panic. The golden pocket, there's always something called a golden pocket, and things kind of tend to move around the golden pocket, okay? So do we have a box here? Come on, give me a box, yeah. Because I'm going to need the box anyway. Like 34 to 38 is like the golden pocket. So just draw a simple box here. So on the big scale, yeah, we are attacking the golden pocket, but we're not going to go through this. I'm just going to see it in a big thing. That's one golden pocket there. And then we have another one, which is like 61 to 6. Is it 61 to 66? Right? So I'm just going to go here. I'm just going to go and copy this. Hey, copy and paste. Okay. Why can't you allow me to? Permission denied. What are you, TradingView? I thought I'd be paying my bills. I got caught not paying my bills. So, okay, fine. You guys want me to draw. Yeah, that's another golden pocket. So look, it does react on the golden pocket. So let's take that out because we're not interested in this now. We are more interested in this here. Let's bring this down. Okay, let's bring this down and let's adjust to the 4-hour here. Okay, let's adjust this. Let's bring this down here. Let's bring one golden pocket down here. And then let's change it to the 4-hour. You got this? Change it to the 4-hour chart, okay? Let's just go this here. So this is the 4-hour chart, okay? So again, what do we see here, guys? Let's see the 4-hour chart. One moment. You see that? So I get that on that, right? Okay, so that's one there. So again, let's adjust this golden pocket. Sorry, not there. It is somewhere around there. That's the first golden pocket. So you see it, right? Golden pocket has lots of reactions here. Can you see that? And this is the other golden pocket, which is 61 to 66, if I'm not mistaken. After I'm going to put in another one, okay? 61 to 66 there. So you see, these are key. Look at that. Look at that. I probably have to draw this smaller, but it's okay. You know, just know that there is a golden pocket there. See, if you draw this right, you can see that. Okay, good. It's still above the golden pocket there, right? So you can see all the levels already. Look at that. This was 78.6. And look at that, we're struggling here at the 78.6. If we lose that, it enters the golden pocket again. 21.5, right? Remember what was the support just now? 21.5, right? We pull into this golden pocket. It's times to pull price, okay? So this is what, it has to really go to 21.8, you know, 22.8. I didn't draw, but the 200 is around 22.8. Okay, you got to trust me on that. Last week it was 22.5, so then it's now 22.8. Okay, now what I do next is this. So we just want to see that. Now what we want to do is we want to say, hey guys, but the S&P will be more exciting, right? Is this above the point of control? Oh, ho, ho. That means where did price react the most? So just go to fixed range volume profile here. Let's go here, fixed range volume profile. And then you pull this here because you want to see where did price react the most? Okay. Not there, right? I don't know if I got the low, right, guys? You got to pull it down. You got to pull it down. Was it? Did I pull it down? Yeah, I did. Okay, I did pull it down. Cool. Okay, so you look at this. Look, guys, isn't this cool? The 50 is where the most volume interacted. So this will be key support here. Lose this and you're gone. I mean, just go home. Okay, guys, get this, right? So I will always be referring to this. I usually take out this, right? Last week, I think I showed this when I took it out. But that's how you get the point of control. That means look at that. Look at, you need to know the fibs, you need to know the golden pocket, and you need to know the point of control. You lose the point of control, you're gone. Look, went up, tested the point of control, went up, wanted to test the point of control, then only up. You have to remember it interacts around these areas. So if you want to buy here, right, you wait for it to go up here. You don't do anything because you know that the point of control will pull it back. You wait and enter in here. Maybe you panic here, but that's up to you, okay? Understand that, right? That's how we draw things. Remember that when we draw things next week and the coming weeks as we do some trading, we need to refer to these things, okay? I'll be referring to these things, and this is where it's coming from, okay? It's kind of like easy to draw here. Now let's remove my golden pocket. I don't like seeing it there. Yeah, let's remove that. Now let's go to the next favorite one, which is the S&P 500, which to me is the same. You know, you want to know where Bitcoin is going, you go to the S&P 500. If you're cheap, Charlie, you're free trading view. Oh, you guys use free trading view? You can. Okay, then I'll show it in the thing. Yeah. If you guys probably use free trading view, you can. Okay, let's draw this. No, we're not going to draw the dollar index. We are going to draw the S&P 500. Okay, S&P 500. Then you guys have to trust me. Then you guys have to trust me on this. Okay, SPX. Sorry, it's not S&P 500. It's SPX. CFD, let's see this. Okay, let's go to TVC, guys. Again, your thing is again here. Okay, I like this chart. Chef likes this chart also. I'll tell you why chefs like this chart. Okay, I'm going to show you something. Because he sees his favorite things, which are gaps. Gap fill. You know, gap. Okay, you got stopped at the gap, right? This is cool. I'm going to tell you what I like about this chart. But first, as usual, guys, go to indicators. What do we put in? Do we put in MACD? No, we put in RSI. If you put in MACD, I cannot talk to you. You're like from a different school. So tell me what's happening in MACD. I don't know. Okay, we're at the top here and we're kind of correcting. Okay, that's fine. That's fine. But we're not at the top here yet. Okay, cool. Now, what I like about this chart is this, guys. I really love this chart. I think it's something that's easy to see because you have here a big round number that's called 4,000 that is being that is a resistance, right? So look, go up, go down, go up, go down, down. It just went down here. If it can close this gap, it's already bullish. It didn't try. I like this because I want it to do multiple tries. it makes my day to do multiple tries. Okay, so again, for this, what you want to do is put in a trend line also. Did it break the trend line? Just draw it here. Just draw it here, right? Are we breaking the trend line? Are we in a bullish mode? Just draw here. Just draw it, guys. Just draw it. Hey, guys. Hey, chef, your free trading view should be able to draw this. Don't tell me your free trading you can't draw this. Something is wrong. Complain to trading view. So it is clear from here that I see a 4,000 level resistance is good. Trying multiple times is good because I wanted to try, and one day I wanted to break here, and that sends me inside, right? And coming down could also be potential buy point, but I want to see the 4 hour first. So it's good. This is bullish. Again, from here, you can already see from here. Look at this. What do you guys see, right? What do you see? This was a higher low. I know you guys panic here, right? Now, this was the weird thing. Remember, you know what this was? What was this, guys? This was the inflation count, right? Everyone was panicking like, oh no, it's going to break down. It's going to break down. This is the end of the world. But look, it returned back and basically it rebounded during the inflation print, although inflation beat the print by a lot because there's so much negativity, because so many people were shorting the market. I didn't know that. I read later on this, right? I read later inside the Yahoo Finance that this level of negativity is the most. Look, this. It went down, right? Gap down. And then suddenly it went back up, and then went down again, and then went back up again, right? After the retail sales numbers were good. You guys remember that, right? So it's like, hey, this is cool. This is cool, okay? So again, let me bring this down again. So obviously here, we started to go down from here. What do you do, guys? What do you do next, guys? You get the Fibonacci. Why am I here? Who sent me here? Okay. Who sent me there? I don't know who sent me there, okay? So I'm going to draw the fib again. Okay, guys, get the fib. So again, I just like this because it's a 4K number that gives me a sense of direction. Now I got to draw my fib again. Now I got to draw my fib again. So chef has to trust me on this. Chef got to trust me on this. I'm going to draw this again. I'm going to draw this up here, and I'm going to go down here, and voila, I have it there. That's probably the bottom there. And I saw another report from Bank of America. They also think the bottom is somewhere here. So they say there may be another challenge here. So who knows? You know, I don't know. I think we've hit the macro bottom. Of course, it's not going to be smooth up there. So where are we now, guys? What do we do next? After we have this, this is 61.8. Yeah, we're at 61.8 key. But now, I want to draw what? I want to draw my magical golden pocket. I want to see the interactions around the golden pocket, which is 34 to 38, right? I might be a little bit off, but it's sometime there. But look at this, look. Resisted, look at that, broke, came back down. Okay, quite a few here. Now let me see another golden pocket here. Now I want to see the golden pocket at the top. So I don't look at Bitcoin charts. I look at what is going to happen to the S&P, okay, rather than looking at Bitcoin, which bores me to death, okay. Okay, guys, we are about, okay, this is, okay, again, guys, look at this. We are about to enter such a critical place in the S&P because we are really at the golden pocket. This is really key. There's going to be, and there's a lot of interaction here, and if we break, we are really going to break. Remember, we are already at the golden pocket here. See that? Yeah, you know how key this is, right? So now we got to wait. Now I want to find where is the point of control, right? Again, what do we do, guys? If you have the paid version, go here. If you don't have the paid version, just see my screen, no? What to do. Fixed range volume profile, just go to fixed range volume profile, go up here. I want to know where the point of control is now. Where are you? Where are you? Where is it? Where's my point of control? Okay, it didn't draw my point of control. This is not good. Hey, you guys see my point of control just now? I think it was somewhere here. Was it? How come I didn't draw it? I didn't draw it. It should be somewhere here. Somehow it's not. Did I miss my payment on this? It drew on Bitcoin, but it didn't draw on this. I'm not happy because of trading. I'm seriously not happy because of trading. It is kind of angry at me. Okay, again, you just have to go to the fixed range volume profile. Maybe it doesn't like me there. Maybe it likes me here. And I'm just going to draw until here. Okay. Show me my fixed volume profile, and it refuses to show. I don't know why, but it's somewhere in the middle here. But anyway, I like to see this because if we break this, Bitcoin is going to break. Do you guys see it? Pay your bills if you want to see. Yeah, they're gonna downgrade me to your standard. That is, I might have to end the show early, or all the fibs may even disappear. They're gonna downgrade me. So again, guys, this is key here for the thing. So again, if we can break the S&P on this, Bitcoin is definitely going to go to the next level. I can already tell you that just by looking at this. Clear the golden pocket here. You clear the gap. Okay, this is the chef's favorite indicator here, the gap. That is also very significant because if you can close the gap here, there is not a lot of things until they come here. Okay, so I think if it goes to 4170 here, Bitcoin is on its way to 26 to 28. That's how I read this thing. Okay. Now, whether you want to play Bitcoin or you want to play S&P is really up to you. You got to choose that. Okay, so that is S&P 500. But you guys are saying, no, but Bitcoin follows the NASDAQ. Yeah, it follows the NASDAQ better, I guess. So let's see the gaps on the NASDAQ. But you look there, covered the gap, closed the gap, one more gap, guys. And this is key. The gap is in the golden pocket. That is such a key level, okay? This gap here is in the golden pocket. It is significant. Very, very significant. So after we've done this, take this out here. Now I want to see the NASDAQ. Okay, let's go see the NASDAQ. You guys love this, right? So come to class on August 6th. We're going to do more on this, okay? We're going to do more on this. I'm just going to put here. I'm going to go to another one, okay? I'm going to go to another fresh one here. And what is this? Okay, let's go here. Let's go to Owanda here. And let's do the same thing again. So next week, we don't have to do this. You guys know how to do this already, right? Let me just go pivot out, pivot out, pivot out. Okay, now I'm just going to take this out. Get out. Get out. I don't see pivots anymore, okay? I don't see 1 hour. I want to see again. I just want to see the daily. Okay, let's go see the daily first. Yeah, you guys are right that the NASDAQ is closer to what you will get in Bitcoin. Okay, I get it. I'm fixing it. I know you guys would like to see the S&P. Where do you go? Just pull it down, pull it down. Where in the world did we come from? This is better. This is cool. We came from here. This is easy to see, right? This is easy to see. This is not right. I don't know why this keeps on coming up. I am just going to put here indicators RSI. Cool. As usual. And I want to see, is it really up there? Because if it's up, it's probably going to go back down. Okay, it's not up there yet. Okay, it's come back down. Good news, good news. We want to see that, okay? We want to see that. Okay, now, what do we do again, guys? What do we do again? This is the daily, right? You guys want to see the daily or you want to see the 4 hour? Let's start the daily first and then we adjust the fib from there. Oh, wait a minute. We don't do that first. Again, what do? We just draw the trend line. Did we go above the trend line? Did we break above the trend line? I think we did. Nice one, right? This is a nice clean break. I love this break. You know why? Look at that. Textbook. Go up, retest. And then go up. Cool. Love that. Love that. Can't complain on this type of retest. Good way. Good. NASDAQ now. Once we do that, now let's start measuring. This is when it went down, right? Look at that. And then it just broke down. So I'm going to keep it very simple here. I am just going to go here and draw this out. Again, this is what my charts look like, guys. This is all. I'm just going to draw here. Okay. You guys got that, right? There it is. Where are we now? Let's go to the 4 hour before we can see, right? We are at, see that we're at this fib, 25.10. After that, where's the next resistance? 12.8. There. Okay. There's not many gaps here. So I guess when you talk about gaps, it's easier to read the S&P, right? Now I want to go to 4 hour. I don't go to 1 hour, right? It's too messy for me. Okay. I don't like 1 hour. I'm okay with 4 hours and I trade swing. Because guys, I need my sleep. Okay. I know you guys don't sleep, but that's you. Now I want to see this. Now what I want to see, I want to draw my infamous. I'm going to draw my infamous golden pocket again. 34 to 38. What happened in the golden pocket last time? Okay. Look, resistance. Look at that golden pocket. Now, what happened to the up golden pocket? It usually happens more to the bottom golden pocket than the upside golden pocket. That's why it's called golden pocket. Okay, many things happen there, but I want to see the line of control. Okay, I want to see the line of control now. So follow my Twitter and see what trades I take. 66, right? Yeah, we cleared the golden pocket. So that was good, right? Went back down, went back up. Oh, we're back here. Look at this. Isn't this beautiful, guy? Look at that. Look at that, guys. It just cleared the golden pocket and now it's at it. So it's like trying to rebound off the golden pocket, okay? So you see that, and now I want to see the point of control. I think we're above the point of control, so we should be okay. Means we are more bullish versus bearish. That's all we are saying here. Fixed volume profile. I hope they receive my bill. If they receive my bill, no, they didn't. Yeah, there it is. Yeah, we're up here, guys. We are up here. See, why can't you do it for my S&P? We're up here. So look at that. Look at that. Went down. Support. Guys, see that? Can you guys see that? The various interactions. Right? You can see that, right? See that? Look at that. But we're here now, critical. We're supported by the golden pocket. So you can see now both the S&P, okay? The S&P needs to clear the golden pocket, and the NASDAQ is using, of course, the NASDAQ is more volatile than the S&P. You get better gains there. And the NASDAQ is actually using the golden pocket as support. So see that? That's how you draw these things, guys. So now I can see what's going to happen during this week. My wish, I don't know whether I get it. I want to come down here, then maybe I want to buy up here. That's what I'm looking at. That's what I'm looking at the NASDAQ this week because I had a very good trade on S&P. I had a very good trade on DTech. I want to look at the NASDAQ again this week because I think this week, if we can clear the GDP, if we can clear the FOMC, then I think the NASDAQ has ways to go. Let me see. Where is 161.8? I just want to see this. I know that we can get up here to 12.9. That's about 500 points, okay? So 500 points, if I trade 3, it's 1,500 US. This is good. This is good, okay? Let me change this to daily so that I can hear, so that I can see this better, okay? I don't like these small time frames because, again, I need my beauty sleep, and that's why I just cannot do this. Okay, I need my beauty sleep, guys. So again, look at the support here. We clear here. We come here. Awesome. We're here. Look at that. Look at the support level. Yeah, it's like 13K, guys. So buying around here, if the even here, if the condition is good, you got like 800 times 3, 2,400 US. Possible. We love it. The next one, I'm not even thinking about this. look at this level here. Just look at this level here. I see a lot of points of support, and that is what I love about it. Okay, guys, any question about this? That's all I'm doing for drawing, okay? And of course, when you see me with my charts, I will usually remove my point of control. But when it's in a bear market, you really want to see whether the point of control has been cleared. You know, I think it's really cool. So you want to see whether point control have been cleared before you even do anything. Isn't it? Yeah. I just clear that. Okay, guys. So again, it's good that this golden pocket or whatever this is here, this fib is also in alignment with this, with the support here. I can even do that. Yeah, it's good. It's something that I think is quite easy to read. Let me put it down here. Let me put it down here so you guys can see it, right? Yeah, look at that. Look at that. It's just cool. It's just cool. Look at that. It makes sense. Yeah, this is big resistance, guys. 13K is big resistance. I can live with that. Okay, guys. Any questions? Any questions? Any questions? That's how we do it. Okay. Any questions we have here? That's just how I draw things. So again, I do expect, you know, we can do very well in the beginning of the week, and then we're going to struggle in the middle. Or we suck in the beginning of the week, and then after we get clarity on this, we go better. I don't think we can go better and better because this week the bias is down. People are still worried that if you trade early, you still, you know, I don't know who will hold into the form C. I don't want to hold during the form C. But after the FOMC, definitely going to be active here again. I'm going to take trades on the NASDAQ. Okay, I had a very good S&P, so I think I can trade a higher risk by going to the NASDAQ. Okay, so again, last week traded S&P and DTech, right? Last week we were at S&P and DTech, which is the German tech index, which is not as wild as NASDAQ. So I like that. Sometimes when the market is uncertain, you want to go for the less wild so that you get out with a smaller loss, right? This week will most probably be NASDAQ. I am on a risk on mode. If I get scared, if something really freaks me out, then I just go to the DTech, not going to the S&P. Move slow. Moves too slow for me. I need bigger things, okay? I need bigger things in life. Isn't that great? I need bigger things in life. Yes, no takers so far. No takers, not enough, but let me check afterwards. Yeah, not enough. We need at least 6 or 7, but let's see, yeah. Yeah, I guess want to know what a clone X is, right? Guys, clone X to me, not just because I have 2 clone X, okay? It is the future of branding, okay? Because now, you know, I know you guys like the bored apes. I know you guys have bored apes. I know. You're talking about the Bored Ape Breakfast Club, right? But look at what Clone X has, guys. I mean, seriously, guys, imagine branding this like for Chef. Chef has a restaurant in Phuket, right? A Chef has a restaurant in Phuket. Look at this. You can make a Clone X move. It's really cool, you know? You can make a Clone X move. I mean, seriously, you can make a Clone X move. Oh, shouldn't do that. Don't do that kind of picture. There might be kids in this show. There might be kids in this show. There might be kids in this show. Look at that. It can move. Yeah, look at that. It can move. You have a model that can move. So it's like when you do something for a brand, right? I mean, it doesn't need to be a big brand, like a small restaurant, like Chef's Restaurant. You can make your Clone X move. Let me show you RT. Which is why I just had to get the hoodie, you know. I think it's like a piece of history that is not to be missed. That is not to be missed. Okay. Let's go down here. I'm just going to go down here. I'm just going to show you something here, okay? Because I think this is really cool. This is the future of this, right? Really, this is the future of. And look at this, guys. Look at this. Look at this. Just do this. Yeah, do this. You can have a Clone X do that. You can have a Clone X eating Chef's pizza. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. You can do it with a Clone X because it's already designed from the outset to be 3D. Okay. So next week, again, possibly detect. Okay, any other questions, guys? Clonex is a 3D. So many things can be done. Guys, okay, guys, thank you very much. If there are no more questions, I got a lot of updates for the group also. Okay, I'm going to update the group tomorrow with another video. So on how we approach the next thing. But remember, we start trading in August. Is trading. Just follow my Twitter, because I'm just going to give it for free until we start the trading classes. Okay, until we start the trading classes. That's all it is. Okay, so hey, this is really cool. Been nice seeing you guys. I'm going to see you soon on Thursday. Remember, on Thursday, this channel also 8:15. Let's see what Bitcoin did on that day. Let's see what it did. Let's really see what it did. Let's see where it's going. Let's see what FOMC did. Going to be an exciting time. 8:15, guys. See you later. Bye-bye.